And a man called me, Mr. Chairman, and tell me that they dip up on the water. And when they dip up the water comes the Isaac, skeleton of bullfrog come up in the water. And they say, look, no go so. And the superintendent could have go take the video of the bullfrog and see him there. When you get up and tell the world that bullfrog, the Epworth people up there training bullfrog. See him there. Allah, Mr. Chairman and members, my heart bleeds for the people of Epworth. I don't live there. I don't have anybody there. But there are human beings that live there under this condition. Bullfrog, 5 of them. One video. See? When you circulate the videos, I'm sending that out to group right now. Make the members of this community see that make it get it. Oh, Allah. I want to laugh, businessman. I want to take this thing with you. A human life that about. We have 3 centurions up here. 3 centurions in Epworth. It was 2, now 3. And it is the only source of water in the community. And God Almighty, no help